In today's era of industrial and commercial revolution, the demand for various sized structures like warehouses has surged, and these are commonly designed using portal frames. The team at SKMZ Designs has produced a preliminary portal frame structure to the specifications provided by the client, whilst complying with the relevant Australian standards and codes for steel structures. We were provided with a sketch of the portal frame structure as a guide for how the warehouse should look, and a list of parameters.
This project was completed using Revit by Autodesk. Preliminary structure design was produced according to the specifications provided by the client and complying with the relevant Australian standards and code for steel structures. Columns used in the portal frame structures were made of steel 45-345 and selected for their strength and durability. These were placed at 400 mm and 7000 mm on the base and top level respectively. Rafters used in this structure are made of steel 45-345. They are spaced at 5000 mm from each other and span is 8,820 mm. The gates used in this structure are light gauge lipped channel gauge selected for their strength and durability. They were overhanging at a level of 200 mm and spaced at 200 mm as well. Purlins used in the portal frame are light gauge Z purlin Z10012 which are 9,000 mm long. These come in various designs which enhances its usability for a wide range of purposes. These are overhanging, spaced and spanned at 200 mm, 2000 mm and 215 mm respectively. Wall cladding used in the structure is basic wall 24 mm thick. Length of each wall along left to right and front to back is 40,304.4 mm and 18,709 mm respectively. The end and intermediate spanning between them are 2070 mm and 2620 mm respectively, overhanging at 200 mm. Roof is on the level 3 of the structure and it is basic roof 42 mm thick. Its total area is 805.827 square meter, which is sloped at 6 degrees from the wall, making it almost flat. It inclined enough to keep rainwater and snow off from the top surface. Its end spanning is 2070 mm, whereas intermediate spanning is 2220 mm. Two types of doors were used in the portal frame for different range of purposes. First one is overhead rolling door at head height of 2214 mm, while the other door is single flush door at head height of 2134 mm. There is only one flight of stairs in the portal frame which has 20 steps. Depth of each step is 20 mm. Base and top offset were kept 0 mm at both levels.
To determine whether this frame meets the Australian standards, we have developed a space gas model to analyse the structure. Using the portal frame builder within Space Gas, we were able to generate the structural frame and apply the necessary wind loads relevant to our region. We then exported these loads and applied them to a single frame, as it is assumed that all frames within the structure experience the same forces as it is symmetric. Analysis of this frame showed that the columns, rafters and haunches selected could withstand the loads, demonstrating that this portal frame is suitable to be built within the selected region, Wollongong, New South Wales.
In summary, SKMZ Designs has created a structural design in the portal frame structure via Revit and Space Gas tailored to the client wishes. The 40 meter by 18 meter portal frame structure with a 7 meter high eave offers 765.385 square meters of space, supported by 24 columns and 30 beams. This design integrates functionality and aesthetic with 10 well-placed windows, 2 entrances and 3 levels. Level 1 has a robust 400 mm floor, while level 2, covering 62.679 square meters, is accessed via 20 steps and a 6-degree inclined roof for water runoff and a sleek look. The project was covered primary load cases, analyzed structure behavior with detailed diagrams, and specified member and connection designs to ensure safety and performance by designing the 2D and 3D portal frames from Space Gas.